The confession bear really dropped an awkward turtle on us this time. Hey guys, I'm Patrick Jones for Buzz60. Usually the confession bear meme just admits to small things like I farted and blamed the dog, or that it actually supports the Mets. Real funny. But can we take confession bear seriously when it confesses to murder? Yes. A Reddit user posted a confession bear that reads, "My sister had an abusive meth addict boyfriend. I killed him with his own drugs while he was unconscious, and they ruled it as an overdose." Wow. The Redditors who saw the post took action, collecting information on the guy who posted the bear and then alerting the FBI. The poster said only some of the confession was true, and then said it was a joke before the thread was deleted. We'll have to wait and see if anything comes of this once the FBI looks into it. I'll tell you what though, after making that post, the Reddit user began pulling down all his social media profiles. A move that's making condescending Wonka even more suspicious. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.